everyone, and welcome back to ECU Team channel. And today we have this Mercedes CLK350, and it got a problem with the cluster on it. So every time you would switch your gear, the cluster would not display that. So let me show you exactly what I mean. Okay, so I want to start off with the key. Okay, it locks and unlocks the door. Let's sit down and I want to show you what the car exactly is doing. So we put the key inside of the ignition right here. I will try and start it. So you see how over there it says that it's in park, which of course it is. Right away I want to notice that there is no lights whatsoever to light up the dash, so we'll also fix that. But our main concern right now is the fact that it's not able to see the gear. So if I'll put on reverse, it's on the reverse right now, but here it says that it's still in the park, even though the car is movable. I can also put it in the drive. It's not changing over there, it is however in drive here. And we can also move forward as well. We put it in neutral, nothing is not happening on the cluster, okay? So, what we need to do right now is we need to disassemble the cluster, fix the problem in it, and then after that, we'll put it back in the car and see exactly how it will work. Stay tuned. Okay, so the first thing that we want to do is we want to make sure that the wheel is all the way centered towards you. You want to put it, okay, so you want to put it towards you and then you want to bring it down. That way it's easier for you to work on the cluster. Okay, so before actually taking the cluster apart, I want to show you these two keys that we made. These right here are the great helpers for the cluster, because in order to open the cluster you will need to put them right in that hole that you see right there. Also important notice that once you'll put these keys in, the hook at the end should look in the other direction from the cluster, and I'll show you why in just a moment. Right, so once you put these two keys in, it's simple to take it out. You want to turn it and then pull it out on you. And that's how you get out the cluster from the Mercedes. By the way, this is why it's important to make sure that the hook is looking in the other direction than the cluster, is because you're actually able to open up the clamp and then grab it and then pull it on you. This is how it opens up. Alright, so after we already programmed and tested out the cluster for the guy, now let's again start off with the key, make sure that it works. And I'll put the key inside of the ignition, turn it, and now we can see. Nice, I like that. So right away we can see that the LED lights turned on immediately. We can see that it works. And now the most important part is this P right here. We're in park. Let's put it to reverse. And then it's in the reverse. Drive. Drive. Okay. Neutral as in neutral, and then park as in park. Okay. Now, if you think so that this video is over, it's not. We will try and turn on the AMG mode on this cluster. By the way, before I'll get into that, I want to first show you the menu, the fact that it's working, because I didn't show you at the beginning that these buttons right here, they would not operate on the cluster, but this one is fixed, so of course I can show you that it works just fine. Back to the AMG.